Thoughtful, colorful, botanical decorations. I don't know whether these are done by the house owners or by the corporation or whatever you call it. But done these are in great style. Great style. These are not dewdrops, I know. These are raindrops which are trickling to the slippery surface, still not gone. Each decorative plant has a symmetry and is lovely. Lovely seeing the symmetry. And these colorful plants, colorful flowers. This is a plant which is full of flowers, nothing but flowers. And this is another variety of the same color. Great houses these. Blessed people who live in these houses. Great place. Very touching. I'm very impressed, especially with this. I don't know the name, and name doesn't matter to me. As a poet said, it shouldn't matter. To a geologist, it's the least matters because he doesn't understand so much of botany. I'm a paleobotanist though. Got late in my morning walk, but I got a chance to also walk in great peace without the noise of traffic and see this beauty around with an ancient submelanocratic rock boulder surely carried around by the last ice age.